Hello everyone, this is Sudhir Kumar Dubey and I am again ready with one more update into the interview scheduler app. So today we are going to discuss the LLD of interview scheduler app. So let's let's try to figure out what can be the possible actors into the interview scheduler. So as you know, there can be one of the actor is user, and user is basically having the three roles. So I have written down those roles here. So first role is HR, second will be the candidate, and third will be the interviewer. So these are the three persons which are going to use the application. That's why these persons are called as actor or users. Okay, so in the next slide I am going to explain you the objects. So what are the possible object for interview scheduler app? So so if you see, first object is user, because what are the users who are going to use this application? So who are the users going to use this application? First one is the HR who will schedule the interview, and when she schedule the interview or he schedule the interview, it will go to candidate as well as interviewer. So those are basically called as a user, having different roles. Then second one is what? Interview, means what user is scheduling interview. So second object we have identified successfully as a interview. So okay, so once interview is conducted, what will happen? The interviewer will update the doc feedback. So feedback is also uh, one kind of object here. Then what is next? Document. So why this document is there? So let's, when HR is scheduling the interview, so he or she will upload the document, okay, like resume or something. So she'll write what is the document and one attachment. So basically the document metadata we store into our database, and document like resume we send it to the S3 for storage. That's why we have a document here. Okay, then what is this email? Yeah, email object is required because we will need from address to address, interviewer address, interviewee address, all these kind of things along with some other details. That's why we have identify one of the object as an email. So what is the JWT? So JWT is created for securing the application using the JWT token. That's why this user we this object we have identified. What it will contain, I will continue this into the next video. Okay, so now final for this one is coming as a tables. So what are the tables where we are going to store the data into the database Postgres? So first table we have identified as a user, because we have to create some user into the application, like user will register themselves, HR, or what is the next one, interviewer. Those are called user. Then we have a documents, okay, because document related information we have to store. That's why we are taking as a document. Okay, so once the interview is scheduled, we have some kind of feedback. So there is one table called feedback, and another table is a interview table. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more video on codeglancer.com. Thank you.